We're standing right in front of the IDT corporate location. It's day 46 of the road to 50 states. I'm standing here with Reginald Kidd. Reginald is a senior technical operations director here at the operations in Maryland. We're going to be talking about the future of healthcare and more specifically, what is the next big thing in pharma. Reginald's background is biology. He's focused in on driving the technical operations at IDT, so perfectly placed to get an understanding of the molecules coming into the operation and the delivery through the fill finish services. So Reginald, what is the next big thing in pharma?
I believe the next big thing in pharma will be faster approvals for cell and gene therapies.
So Reginald, can you talk to me about how the Rockville, Maryland site works with the German site, with operations, tech transfers, clinical, commercial transfers between the two organizations, and how you work together from the science?
As a CDMO site located in Rockville, Maryland, we provide phase 1, phase 2 clinical trial manufacturing services to local biotechnology companies, other organizations based in the EU. We'll provide those services, including drug product clinical filling operations, and then as clients progress from phase 1, phase 2 to phase 3, we have the experience to tech transfer those processes to our operations in Germany.
Can you talk to me about the technical specifications from the facility here in Rockville?
So our site in Rockville, Maryland scaled at 200 liters or less, and we are involved in end-to-end operations, so we'll produce cell and virus banks, bulk drug substance, all the way through final fill finish. We include a variety of platforms for anchorage-dependent cell culture and suspension, virus production, and we have a long history of aseptic operations for products that can't undergo sterile filtration.
I'm standing here with Ashik, Pavagadhi, Site Director and Vice President for this fabulous location here, part of an amazing organization that has been delivering on the vaccine for the COVID-19 pandemic over the last 18 months. But we're going to be talking about the future of healthcare and what is the next big thing in pharma. So let me ask you that question. You have direct experience of the pandemic over the last 18 months. So what is the next big thing in pharma?
So the next best thing we've seen over the last 18 months, specifically with the COVID-19 vaccine, that the next best thing will be and should be cell gene therapy.
There is a long history of filling vaccinations here at IDT. You've also just successfully completed your 100th year since establishment. Fantastic. One of the longest manufacturing companies in the pharmaceutical industry. Can you tell me about that 100th year experience, the anniversary, and what's new for IDT?
So it's been 100 years. It's quite a landmark. Not a lot of companies can say that they've achieved that milestone. We're very excited. Unfortunately, the anniversary came during the pandemic, so we'll obviously have to revisit the celebration activities that were planned back in Dessau. 100 years, we're bringing that experience and leveraging that experience out in Germany, here in the US, and that's why we strategically decided to place a site here in Rockville, Maryland.
Rockville, Maryland is one of the biotech hubs across the United States. You are geographically located very close to many biotech companies that are looking to deliver their compounds through fill finish sterile operations. Can you talk to me about what an advantage is it being here so close to your customer base?
It's a fantastic advantage. There's approximately 400 plus small, mid-sized virtual biotech pharmaceutical companies here out in the region. We have the opportunity to build off of those biotech companies. There's a lot of customer base out here, so we're very fortunate, especially here with the IT-70 quarter in Maryland. With biotech hubs in Boston, New Jersey, as well as in the Research Triangle Park, we're also positioned outside of the 400 plus companies here in the Rockville, Maryland area So there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of growth here for IDT in the US.
There's so little sterile capacity right now, not only in the United States, but also across Europe. So are you taking on new projects?
Absolutely. We've got the infrastructure, the know-how, we have the capabilities, we have the capacity. Thanks for coming out to visit us here at IDT Rockville.
Good luck on the road to 50 states. We look forward to seeing the results.